So we arrived last night in the dark. We didn't have a clue where we were, and then we woke up to this. Good morning, we're on our way to Clarens. We're super excited, couldn't sleep last night. Got up at 3 o'clock this morning to hit the road by 4 because we've got 1,200 kilometers to cover. Should take us about 14 hours. We're in the middle of the Karoo now near Lanesburg, so we've made up some good time. Well, I hope you can see through the windscreen wipers and the rain, but on our right are the three sisters, and we'll get their names and share it on the screen with you. Nadine, where are we?
We are on the way to Betuli. We're going to pass the Garib Dam, and then I think we're passing the Garib Dam.
And which province did we just go into?
Oh, we're in the Free State, and we're en route to Clarens.
Guys, this is really exciting. We've arrived at the Garib Dam, and look how big it is. And we just spotted a springbok over there in the grass.
So Google sent us on this dirt road. It seems to be the shortest route, but we have now hit the pothole.
So we've been on the R701 for quite a while. It was so beautiful early on the dirt roads, and then we hit a very nice tar road for quite a while. But now this section has been potholes. Some of them are so deep you can have a bath in them. And we're navigating our way around them, and it's very, very slow going. But we get to enjoy these beautiful cosmos flowers on the side of the road. And we're just going to take our time and try not to destroy our tires and rims on our way to Clarens. So we did the clever thing last night to book a cottage because we only got here about 8 o'clock at night, and it was raining, so you don't want to be pitching a tent in the rain. So we decided to go pitch our tent now, and guess what? It's raining. So we're camping at Old Mill Drift.
Marjorie. And she helped us build the tent and a little setup here. It was lovely meeting her.
Friends and family, I'm part of your family. Now
So Old Mill Drift is a very interesting place. It used to be a trading station between the Basotho people from Lesotho, and on the South African side we had a mill. So the deal was that they could come across the river Caledon thing, and they could use the mill to grind their maize. So my mom and her partner Niku traveled all the way from Johannesburg, took her Ford EcoSport up the 4x4 trail, and they made it here to come and spend some time with us. It's been very special.
The name Clarens comes from the town in Switzerland where Paul Kruger spent his last couple of years in life. That was always a port town right from 1912.
Dusty boots on Main Street stones. Take it slow, we've left our phones. Clarens slow days, honey on my tongue, laughter in the queue for bread we never should.
So how lucky is this town? So much vibe. Who believes he heard Matthijs Roots, the artist, performing in there? So we're gonna go and investigate.
Never
Hallo ma. Ja? Okay, ons kom.
Lekker.
Good times.
Check this car. I think it went through a bit of mud.
How insanely beautiful is this? We're at the Golden Gate National Park in the Northern Free State, and this is a golden gate welcoming you into the park.
Mountains drawing shadows round our fragile flame. I could spend a lifetime. I could write your name.
How sweet is this? One day when I'm in my 70s, I want to be with Nate like this, walking in beautiful places.
Mountains in the mirror of your sunshade frames. I could spend a lifetime.
Morning.
How did you sleep?
I slept like a baby. So beautiful here. But then we got woken by the hardy-does and the donkeys. But there's no better way to wake up in the morning. Hy stap verby en ek begin hom vry om stap te. Jy gaan my nie weer kry nie.
Jy kan nog al land wees.
Hy gaan my nie weer byt nie.
En 'n skop graag ook.
We're going up the red route on the Old Mill Drift guest farm.
So we're gonna hike right up there to the top of that cliff. We're obviously doing a traverse around, and then we're doing a big loop with a view over Clarens and surrounding areas. How's that view over there for you?
Check this spider.
No, Johnny and Nate have to get past there.
Johnny, we need to go under it. I mean, look at that, it's huge. And if you can see these spider webs. Ah!
That's why you're sending me up ahead first, eh? Walk through the spider webs.
Johnny found a new stick. It's called the
Webmaster 2000. So this is perfectly designed. It catches the spider webs, and they are big. And it's not nice to walk through them. No one likes, no matter how tough you are, you don't like walking through a big giant spider web with one of those hard spiders on. So the Stickmaster 2000 will capture those webs.
Stickmaster
and
or
get
the
rid of them.
Webmaster?
Sorry, the Webmaster. I'm the Stickmaster. This is the Webmaster. You see, there was this giant spider, right? So I went with my stick. I've got a spider web clearing stick, and I'm clearing, and this thing won't go, and it's looking at me, it's going, and it's like coming for me, but then I chucked it to the side on the stick, it ran off, and I ran that way. This water's so crystal clear. So we're both quite out of breath. It's a steep ascent, but it's not just that. We're from the coast, and we started the hike at about 1,700 meters altitude, and we definitely cleared 2,000. Probably gonna hit, well, I'll check in with a farmer, probably 2,500. So guys, when you come to Old Mill Drift, this is the swimming pool, the natural swimming pool, coming from a waterfall up the mountain. So we can feel our muscles after the hike this morning. This is going to be good, but it's freezing.
3, 2, 1, go!
That is so cold. Oh, but it's so nice. Flat white in bed.
Thank you. How awesome. And we're on the road again.
Fantastic time at Old Mill Drift. It is probably one of our favorite campsites we've ever stayed at. Hi, we're at Sterling's in New Bethesda enjoying some potjie and sump. It's a lamb potjie. After a long day of travel, this is going to go down really well. Oh my gosh, this food is amazing. This is probably the best potjie I've ever tasted. This lamb from the Karoo, in the Karoo.